Have you ever seen a black girl so fine, so unbothered, so put together? You just know she's that girl? That's the energy we're stepping into. Because glowing up as a black girl is a different journey. Your hair, your skin, your features, they deserve care that's made for you. Not watered down advice that forgets your beauty, your culture, and your power. So, if you're done settling for less and ready to glow like the goddess you are, let's get into it. Part number 1. Hair care. Hydration is essential. Black hair tends to be dry, so use leave-in conditioners and natural oils like shea butter, coconut, argan, or castor oil. Apply in sections and try the LOC method, liquid, oil, and cream to seal in moisture. Protective styles, braids, twists, buns, or wigs help retain length and keep hair healthy. Switch up styles to avoid scalp tension, and always sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase to prevent breakage. Deep condition regularly. Use sulfate-free shampoos to avoid stripping your hair's natural oils, and use a heavy conditioner. Then gently detangle your hair while it's wet and conditioned. This helps prevent breakage and keeps your hair soft and manageable. Accessorize. Headbands, scarves, barrettes, gold cuffs, and beads can instantly brighten up any hairstyle and show off your personality. Scarves add fun colors and can be tied in cool ways like bows or wraps. Gold cuffs and beads look great on braids and twists, giving your hair a stylish touch. Barrettes and clips help keep hair in place while making your look pop with simple details like pearls or shiny shapes. Mixing accessories lets you switch up your style and keep it fresh every day. Plus, they can protect your edges while making your hair look amazing. Part number 2. Skincare routine. Cleanse gently, use a sulfate-free, low-lathering cleanser, and avoid harsh products that strip skin. Moisturize and protect. Hydrate your skin daily and always wear SPF, even if you have a deeper complexion. Exfoliate once or twice weekly. Glow booster. For that extra radiance, mix a pearlescent gold, peach, or bronze eyeshadow with moisturizer or foundation. Dab onto cheekbones and brow bones for a subtle highlight. Diet matters. No matter how perfect or expensive your skincare is, what you eat will show on your skin. Eat an antioxidant-rich diet. Lots of colorful fruits, veggies, leafy greens, legumes, and lean proteins, and drink plenty of water for that inside-out glow. Part 3. Makeup routine. Find your right shade. Seriously, use foundations and concealers that actually match your undertone and depth. Don't just guess or pick what looks cute in the bottle. For covering dark spots, apply a little foundation just where needed and blend it well. Because listen, using the wrong shade of concealer or foundation, it's not just a small mistake. It can make you look ashy, muddy, or straight up orange. And no amount of blending will save a base that doesn't match. Instead of glowing, you'll end up looking like a walking makeup tutorial gone wrong. For highlighter, golden and bronze tones look stunning on deeper skin. Use cream or liquid formulas for a natural, dewy finish. Apply 2 cheekbones, brow bones, the tip of your nose, and Cupid's bow. Neutralize, but make it sexy. Soft browns, caramels, and deep chocolate shades will complement your skin and still look natural. Stick to soft, neutral tones like warm browns or taupes for your eyelids. Avoid heavy liner and dramatic colors. Minimal eye makeup keeps the look fresh and effortless. Snatched but soft brows. Full natural brows will frame your face perfectly. Use a brow pencil to fill in sparse areas with light strokes and a tinted brow gel to hold them in place. Avoid harsh boxy shapes. Keep them fluffy and clean for a natural finish. Instead of chunky lashes, go for natural wispy ones or just layer mascara. A curled lash with lengthening mascara gives that flirty, feminine look without being overdone. Light contouring is your best friend. Use a cream contour to shades darker than your skin tone for a sculpted but natural look. Focus on cheekbones, jawline, and nose bridge. Lips that looks. Line your lips with a brown liner. Then fill with a nude gloss or lipstick that complements your undertone. Top with gloss for that juicy, clean vibe. Use a translucent or warm-toned setting powder to keep your makeup smooth and oil-free. For a soft matte finish, press powder under the eyes and T-zone. And lightly dust the rest of your face to maintain that fresh, natural look. Then mist with a setting spray for that natural skin-like finish. If you still feel lost or makeup seems hard to figure out on your own, don't stress. There are tons of tutorials right here on YouTube to guide you step by step. Start with the basics. Practice little by little. And remember, nobody becomes a pro overnight. It's all about patience and having fun with it. So, don't be afraid to experiment and find what makes you feel the most confident and beautiful. Part 4. Fashion and style. Express yourself. Choose bold colors and prints that complement your skin. African prints and deep, vibrant hues are especially flattering. Experiment with contrasting shades or color blocking to make your look pop even more. Layer and accessorize. Chunky gold jewelry, hoop earrings, scarves, and classic shoes can elevate a simple outfit. Mix textures and don't shy away from statement pieces that resonate with your personality. Remember, accessories are like the exclamation point of your outfit. They pull everything together and make it pop. Find your style. Invest in versatile basics and keep a pair of classic shoes and a go-to bag that work with many outfits. Start small, mix and match what you already own before buying more so you don't waste money on pieces you'll never wear. Try nail designs with gold accents on deep shades. Rich colors like burgundy, emerald, or navy, and add thin gold stripes or foil accents. This combo looks luxurious and pops beautifully against melanin-rich skin. Part 5. Self-confidence and mindset. Start your day with self-love mantras like, I am beautiful, I am strong, I am enough. Place these on your mirror or in a journal. Surround yourself with positivity. Follow uplifting social media accounts. Keep friends who support your goals, and read inspiring books. Posture and presence. Stand tall, smile, and let your confidence show. Walk with purpose and make eye contact. It's as much about energy as looks. Celebrate your uniqueness. Your melanin is magic. Your beauty is unique. And your glow is unstoppable. Celebrate your black girl magic. You're powerful and beautiful, just as you are.